Welcome to Legal and Accounting Considerations, an essential part of launching and managing your independent pharmacy. Running a pharmacy isn't just about patient care, it also requires a strong foundation in legal and financial management. Understanding these key areas will help you protect your business, maintain compliance, and set yourself up for long term success. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the legal and accounting considerations crucial to launching and running your independent pharmacy. We will begin by identifying key legal requirements such as trademark searches and registrations, along with essential accounting practices like quarterly and annual taxes, 1099 preparation, and financial statement management. Next, we will break down the costs associated with these services, including monthly accounting fees, tax preparation fees, and trademark registration costs. Understanding these expenses will help you budget effectively for these important services. We will also cover common pitfalls to avoid when selecting legal and accounting professionals. This includes choosing providers with clear pricing structures, strong communication, and the ability to stay on budget and within time constraints. Finally, we will explore valuable tax credits available to small businesses, such as the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit, Work Opportunity Tax Credit, and others. These credits can significantly reduce your tax burden, and we will provide you with the knowledge to take advantage of them. As your business evolves, your legal and accounting needs may change. Staying informed about these factors will help you maintain compliance and make the best financial decisions. This lesson will give you the foundation you need, but remember to work with trusted legal and accounting professionals to ensure you are always meeting industry standards and legal requirements. When launching your independent pharmacy, it is crucial to understand both the legal and accounting considerations that can impact the success of your business. Let's break down these key areas. First, legal considerations. Before you settle on your pharmacy's name or logo, conduct a trademark search. This ensures that your branding does not infringe on existing trademarks, which could result in costly legal disputes. Once you have chosen your name and logo, trademark your property. This gives you exclusive rights to use them and protects your brand in the marketplace. Next, accounting considerations. As an independent pharmacy owner, you will need to stay on top of both quarterly and annual taxes. Quarterly taxes are due 4 times a year, and it is important to set aside a percentage of your earnings to meet these obligations. Annual taxes come with more comprehensive reporting, so be prepared to gather all necessary documentation. Also, if you hire contractors or other non employees, you will need to prepare and issue 1099 forms at the start of the year. This ensures that your contractors file their taxes correctly and helps you stay compliant. Plus, if you sell over the counter products, your state may require quarterly sales and use tax payments. Should your pharmacy be selected for an audit, having a reliable accountant or a tax professional who understands the ins and outs of pharmacy operations will be invaluable. They can represent your business, ensuring the process is as smooth and accurate as possible. Additionally, regular financial statements are essential for managing cash flow, making informed decisions, and securing financing if needed. These statements provide an overview of your pharmacy's health, so be sure to work with an accountant to ensure accurate and timely preparation. By understanding these legal and accounting considerations, you will avoid common pitfalls and set your pharmacy up for long term success. Finding the right attorney and accountant is crucial to navigating the legal and financial landscape of your independent pharmacy. These professionals will not only help ensure compliance, but also support the growth and success of your pharmacy business. Here is where to start your search. Start by checking with your local and state pharmacy licensing boards. They often have lists of recommended attorneys and accountants who specialize in pharmacy law and finance. This can be a great way to find professionals with specific expertise relevant to your business. Professional organizations such as the American Pharmacist Association or Florida Pharmacy Association or local pharmacy associations can also be excellent resources. These groups often offer directories of vetted professionals, and attending their events can help you build connections with qualified attorneys and accountants who understand the unique needs of independent pharmacies. Also, reach out to fellow pharmacy owners or professionals in your network for recommendations. Word of mouth referrals from colleagues who have worked with attorneys and accountants in your industry can save you time and ensure you are hiring trusted professionals. Attending trade fairs and industry specific conferences can put you in touch with potential legal and financial experts who specialize in pharmacy businesses. These events are also great opportunities to ask questions, evaluate expertise, and discuss your needs in person. By utilizing these resources, you will be well on your way to finding the right professionals who can help guide your pharmacy through legal and financial challenges. When interviewing potential attorneys and accountants for your independent pharmacy, it is essential to ask the right questions to ensure their expertise aligns with your business needs. Running an independent pharmacy is incredibly rewarding, but managing taxes can be challenging. Fortunately, tax credits can significantly reduce your tax burden. Unlike deductions, which lower your taxable income, tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe dollar for dollar, making them highly valuable. Let's dive into some of the most impactful tax credits available to independent pharmacies. First, the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit. If you provide health insurance to your employees, you may qualify for this credit. To be eligible, you must have fewer than 25 equivalent employees, and their average annual wages must be under $56,000 as of 2024. You must pay at least 50% of the premiums for employee health insurance. This credit can cover up to 50% of premiums paid, making it an excellent incentive for offering health benefits to your employees. Next, the Work Opportunity Tax Credit. If you hire employees from certain target groups, such as veterans, individuals receiving government assistance, or those with long term unemployment, you may qualify for the Work Opportunity Tax Credit. The credit can range from $1,200 to $9,600 per employee, depending on the target group and the number of hours worked. Also, the research and development tax credit. You don't have to be a tech giant to benefit from this credit. If your business invests in developing or improving products, processes, or software, you could qualify. This credit is particularly valuable for startups as it can offset payroll taxes even if your company isn't yet profitable. The Employee Retention Credit. Originally introduced during the COVID-19 pandemic, some businesses may still claim the ERC if they meet certain qualifications. It is designed for companies that retained employees during periods of significant revenue decline or government mandated shutdowns. Be sure to consult a tax professional to determine if you qualify retroactively. Now, the Disabled Access Credit. If your pharmacy has made investments to make your facilities accessible to individuals with disabilities, you might qualify for the Disabled Access Credit. Small businesses with gross receipts under $1 million dollars or fewer than 30 full time employees can claim up to $5,000 for expenses like ramps, restrooms, or other accessibility modifications. Now, the Family and Medical Leave Credit. If your business offers paid family and medical leave to employees, you may qualify for this credit. The credit can range from 12.5% to 25% of wages paid, depending on how much of the employee's salary is covered during the leave. Finally, energy efficiency credits. If your pharmacy invests in renewable energy or energy efficient upgrades, you can take advantage of various energy efficiency credits. For example, businesses installing solar panels, wind turbines, or energy efficient HVAC systems may be eligible for credits like the investment tax credit, which offers significant tax savings. By leveraging these tax credits, you can reduce your tax liability and free up resources to reinvest in your pharmacy's growth. Be sure to work with your accountant to ensure you are maximizing these opportunities. Up next, pitfalls to avoid. When selecting attorneys and accountants for your independent pharmacy, there are a few key pitfalls you should avoid to ensure you are making the right choice for your pharmacy. Let's go over some common mistakes and how to steer clear of them. First, unclear pricing or fee structures. Always look for professionals who provide a detailed and transparent fee structure. Whether it's hourly rates, flat fees, or retainers, they should explain everything up front. Unclear pricing can lead to unexpected costs, so make sure you understand what you are paying for and how much it will cost before you proceed. Choosing professionals with limited availability or poor communication. Good communication is essential for a smooth working relationship. Poor communication can result in missed deadlines, neglected issues, and overall inefficiency, which can affect your pharmacy's operations. Choose professionals who are responsive, proactive, and available to meet your needs in a timely manner. Not setting boundaries on time and budget. It is crucial to establish clear deadlines and budget caps before starting any work. Without these boundaries, you risk spending more time and more money than anticipated. Setting these limits ensures that services are delivered on time and within your budget, keeping your pharmacy on track and financially sound. Oh, yes, and lowballing the cost of services. While low rates may seem attractive at first, they can be a red flag. Often, low rates come with subpar service, hidden fees, or unexpected additional costs for work that wasn't included in the original scope. It is better to invest in quality professionals who offer fair pricing and transparent services rather than chasing the lowest bid. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure that you hire the right professionals who will provide the best value for your pharmacy's legal and financial needs, helping you run a successful and compliant business. Understanding the average costs of legal and accounting services is important for budgeting and planning. Below are the typical fees you can expect for essential services when starting and running your independent pharmacy. Monthly accounting. Expect $300 to $600 in monthly accounting fees. These services help manage your pharmacy's day to day financial activities, including bookkeeping, payroll, and financial reporting. The cost can vary depending on the complexity of your business and the level of service provided. Next, annual personal tax preparation. Expect $500 to $800. Personal tax preparation services help ensure your personal tax filings are accurate and compliant. This fee typically covers the preparation and filing of your personal tax return, which may include business income and deductions from your pharmacy. Annual tax preparation for your pharmacy. Expect to pay between $1,300 to $1,500. Business tax preparation services cover the filing of your pharmacy's annual taxes. This includes preparing financial statements, tax returns, and ensuring that your pharmacy complies with all federal and state tax laws. Trademarking fees. Expect to pay $3,000 to $3,500. Trademark registration fees cover the process of securing your pharmacy's name, logo, or product trademarks. This includes the cost of legal services to conduct trademark searches, file applications, and protect your intellectual property. Fees can vary based on the complexity of your trademark and the attorney's involvement. These costs are important to factor into your overall budget when launching and maintaining your independent pharmacy. Make sure to plan ahead for these essential services to ensure the smooth operation of your business. Before we wrap up, let's review what you have learned in this lesson. First, you now understand the essential legal and accounting considerations for launching your independent pharmacy. We have covered key areas such as trademark searches and registrations, along with necessary accounting practices like tax preparation, quarterly and annual taxes, and financial statement management. Next, you have learned the costs associated with these services, including monthly accounting fees, annual tax preparation, and trademark registration fees, giving you a clearer idea of how to budget for these necessary expenses. You also recognize why these legal and financial practices are so important, not just for compliance, but for maintaining a solid foundation that can help your business thrive in the long run. We have also discussed common pitfalls to avoid when hiring legal and accounting professionals, such as unclear pricing structures and poor communication, ensuring you select the right partners to support your business needs. Finally, you have explored valuable tax credits available to small businesses, including those for healthcare, employee retention, and energy efficiency, which can reduce your tax burden and increase your pharmacy's financial stability. As your business grows, remember that staying informed about legal and accounting changes is essential. Continuously reviewing your needs and working with trusted professionals will ensure that your pharmacy remains protected and compliant in an ever changing landscape. The next slides will guide you through the module worksheets and call to action items, giving you the tools to apply what you have learned and take the next steps in securing the right legal and financial support for your pharmacy. Let's turn this knowledge into action.